That breaking news is in Greensboro. A police officer has died after he was shot inside a Food Lion grocery store.
Officers responded to a store on Lawndale Drive around 11 a.m. Police say Officer Michael Horan was shot and killed in that Food Lion.
We have team coverage this Monday afternoon on this investigation. We begin the 4 o'clock hour with our Joshua Davis. He joins us now with new details investigators just shared moments ago. Joshua.
Devontae, it's a very somber day here in Greensboro, with the police department just confirming the death of Greensboro police officer Michael Horan. Investigators say Officer Horan was called to the Food Lion located on Lawndale Drive in Greensboro to a call about a man with a gun. That was around 11 a.m. this morning. Greensboro police confirm Officer Horan was shot while inside the store. The shooting prompted a major police response, with dozens of cars and officers being called to the scene. Officers did not share the circumstances of what led up to the shooting, but police say a suspect is in custody.
Thanks to the help of multiple partners, the offender is in custody and there is no threat to the public. We will release more details about the suspect as the investigation evolves. Our department has requested the State Bureau of Investigation to be the lead investigating agency in this case.
This is truly a family, but a family that has been tested today.
In Greensboro, police say they've received overwhelming support from community partners and law enforcement agencies around the state. In Greensboro, I'm Joshua Davis for WXII 12 News.